Introducing VM819 from VTech, the most trusted baby monitor brand in America. Observe your little ones on the high-resolution, full-color, 2.8-inch display. Rest assured you'll remain alert and connected overnight, with the longest-lasting battery life available to purchase today, capable of up to 19 hours of continuous streaming. Soothe your baby's comfort levels by choosing between 2 peaceful melodies and 2 calming ambient sounds to play from the baby monitor. Effortlessly calm cries from separate rooms with the 2-way talkback intercom.